Welcome back to Victory in Silence. Today, we're delving into an intimate and deeply transformative topic that's bound to take your relationship to the next level. This is not just about physical connection. It's about building emotional intimacy and trust that transcends the surface. Together, we'll explore 5 powerful positions that will infuse your relationship with excitement, passion, and a profound sense of closeness. These aren't just moves. They're bridges to a stronger bond both physically and emotionally. Let's be clear. This is not merely about techniques or tips. It's about being fully present, understanding your partner's unspoken needs, and fostering an environment where love and respect thrive. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to not only elevate your physical intimacy, but also create a connection that feels deeply fulfilling on a soul level. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a chance to enrich your relationship and personal growth. Your journey towards deeper understanding starts here at Victory in Silence. We'd love to hear from you. If today's content resonates with you, take a moment to comment "I'm deserve" below. And if it feels off the mark, don't hesitate to share your honest feedback. It's invaluable in helping us tailor content that speaks to you. Your input is the foundation for making every video meaningful and impactful. Stay with us until the very end, because each of these 5 positions isn't just about physical movement. It's about emotional resonance. By embracing these approaches, you'll discover new ways to connect, communicate, and build lasting intimacy with your partner. Don't forget to share this video with friends who might find it valuable. Together, let's create a ripple of stronger, more connected relationships. Let's get started and dive deep into this journey of Number 1. The cowgirl. Empowerment through connection. The cowgirl position is a timeless classic, not just for its physical appeal, but for the profound emotional depth it fosters. In this intimate posture, the woman takes the lead, positioning herself atop her partner and naturally guiding the rhythm and flow of their connection. While often praised for its physical dynamics, the true magic of this position lies in what it symbolizes and nurtures between partners. For the woman, taking control creates an empowering sense of security and confidence. In this role, she is free to explore her own rhythm, tuning into her desires and her body in a deeply personal way. This self-guided experience often leads to heightened pleasure and a greater likelihood of reaching climax, as she is in full command of her comfort and pace. For the man, this position is equally transformative. By relinquishing control, he can focus on being fully present for his partner, savoring each moment without the pressure of overstimulation. This can prolong the experience, allowing both to linger in the shared intimacy and appreciate the connection beyond the physical act. But the cowgirl position offers more than physical benefits. It creates a space for emotional vulnerability and connection. As she takes the reins, the man's role shifts to offering reassurance and support. This is where true intimacy flourishes. Maintaining eye contact, caressing her body with tenderness, and offering affirming gestures or words can elevate the experience to something deeply profound. This position becomes a canvas for emotional bonding, a moment to communicate without words. Through touch, through shared breaths, and even through quiet moments of stillness. When both partners are fully present, the cowgirl transforms from a physical position to a sacred act of trust and understanding. It's an opportunity to honor her desires, celebrate her confidence, and create a safe, cherished space where love thrives. Number 2. The spoon, a gentle haven of comfort. The spooning position is a cherished favorite for many couples, especially for women who value the unique blend of physical closeness and emotional security it provides. In this gentle embrace, both partners lie on their sides, with the man nestled behind the woman, creating a cocoon of warmth and protection. What sets spooning apart is its ability to foster a sense of safety and intimacy that few positions can match. The skin-to-skin contact, combined with the slow and deliberate pace, creates a tranquil atmosphere perfect for moments when tenderness is the priority. There's no rush or intensity, only the quiet, steady rhythm of two people deeply connected in their shared space. For the woman, spooning often evokes a profound sense of being cared for and cherished. The feeling of her partner's arms wrapped securely around her offers comfort and reassurance, melting away any tension or stress. This position speaks directly to her emotional needs, as the embrace communicates love, protection, and unwavering support. For the man, spooning is a unique opportunity to deepen the emotional bond through subtle, affectionate gestures. Soft kisses along her neck, gentle whispers of appreciation, and light caresses across emotionally sensitive areas, such as her arms, face, or abdomen, can create moments of profound connection. These small acts of tenderness show attentiveness and make her feel truly seen and valued. Spooning is not just about physical intimacy. It's about creating an environment where both partners feel emotionally safe and nurtured. The slower rhythm allows for relaxation and reflection, helping the couple focus on the emotional resonance of the moment rather than performance. This position speaks volumes without requiring words. Through touch, warmth, and the shared silence of being attuned to each other, spooning becomes a powerful expression of love. It allows the woman to feel utterly safe and cared for, which in turn enhances her ability to fully let go and immerse herself in the experience. For both partners, spooning nurtures a deep emotional connection that lingers long after the moment has passed. It's a tender reminder of the power of intimacy when guided by love and understanding. Number 3. Face-to-face side-by-side. A window to the soul. The face-to-face side-by-side position is one of the most intimate ways for couples to connect, offering a profound opportunity to intertwine emotionally and physically. In this position, both partners lie on their sides, facing each other, creating a physical closeness that mirrors emotional vulnerability. The unique aspect of this posture is the constant eye contact it encourages, fostering a silent dialogue where every glance, every small smile, and every subtle expression speaks volumes. This unbroken gaze transforms the experience into something deeply personal. It allows you to see your partner's emotions as they unfold in real time. Joy, passion, trust, all expressed in the tender language of unspoken communication. This intimate proximity becomes a bridge, building deeper trust and understanding with every shared look. Beyond eye contact, the face-to-face position allows for an exploration of the body that is gentle and reverent. The man may place one leg over the woman's or entwine their legs together, creating an intimate connection while his hands softly explore her back, hips, or legs. Each touch should be slow, deliberate, and meaningful, fostering a sense of safety and cherishment. This moment is not one to rush. It is an opportunity to savor the beauty of your partner and the bond you share. In this position, words become just as powerful as touch. Whispering tender affirmations, expressing love, or simply sharing soft kisses amplifies the connection. Letting her know how much she means to you through your actions and words nurtures not only the physical experience, but also the emotional bond between you. These affirmations remind her that she is seen, valued, and deeply loved, creating an emotional depth that lingers well beyond the moment. The true beauty of the face-to-face position lies in its ability to turn visible intimacy into a heartfelt expression of love and mutual respect. It's not about reaching a climax as quickly as possible. Instead, it's about celebrating the shared journey, reveling in the moment, and honoring each other's presence. This deliberate pacing gives both partners the space to fully experience the connection without the pressure of rushing toward the end. The act becomes a dance, a harmonious flow of affection, care, and mutual respect. Every touch and every glance reflects a shared commitment to understanding and honoring each other's needs and desires. This position serves as a reminder that intimacy is not merely physical. It is an emotional bridge that connects two souls, making each partner feel cherished, respected, and fulfilled. Number 4, doggy style, a passionate exploration. The doggy style position is often celebrated for its intense, raw energy, offering a passionate way for couples to connect. However, beyond the physical dynamics, this posture also holds the potential for deep emotional connection when approached with care, intention, and mindfulness. This position typically places the man in control of the rhythm and depth, creating a powerful sense of energy and primal connection. The physical intensity it provides can make the experience electrifying. But to elevate it from a purely physical act to something more meaningful, it's essential to balance this intensity with tenderness, respect, and attentiveness. One way to enhance the emotional aspect of doggy style is by approaching it as the crescendo of your intimate encounter. By first engaging in slower, more tender positions, you can build anticipation and deepen emotional closeness, making the transition to this posture feel natural and exciting. Saving this for the latter stages allows passion to build to its peak, creating a moment that is not only thrilling but also deeply satisfying. Even amidst the fiery intensity of this position, maintaining a sense of emotional connection is key. Gentle touches, whispered reassurances, or even locking eyes through a mirror can help sustain the emotional bond. These small gestures remind your partner that she is cherished and that the experience is about mutual enjoyment and respect, not just physical pleasure. Communication becomes a vital tool in this position. Checking in with your partner ensures she feels safe, comfortable, and equally fulfilled. This can be as simple as asking if the rhythm feels right, offering a reassuring touch, or adjusting based on her reactions. These considerations transform the moment into an act of love rather than mere physicality. What makes doggy style particularly special is its ability to balance raw energy with nurturing affection. When done with mindfulness, it becomes a space where both partners can lose themselves in passion while still feeling deeply connected. It's an opportunity to explore trust and vulnerability, knowing that both of you are fully present for each other. Ultimately, this position is not just about intensity, but about the fusion of physical and emotional intimacy. By blending passion with tenderness, you create a powerful experience that leaves both partners feeling satisfied, respected, and emotionally enriched. True intimacy is about more than physical gratification. It's about creating moments where both partners feel seen, loved, and completely attuned to each other's needs. Number 5. The chair, a haven of intimacy and connection. The chair position may not be as widely recognized as other postures, but it offers a uniquely intimate and emotionally profound experience that transcends mere physicality. In this position, the man sits securely on a sturdy chair, while the woman gently lowers herself onto his lap, facing him. This arrangement creates a cocoon of closeness, both physical and emotional, that is perfect for those moments when a deeper connection is desired. One of the most remarkable aspects of the chair position is the sense of equality and mutual respect it fosters. With the woman in control of the rhythm and pace, she can explore the moment on her own terms, savoring each sensation while feeling empowered and fully attuned to her body. For the man, this dynamic offers the joy of being a supportive presence, providing the comfort and stability that allow his partner to feel free and secure. The constant face-to-face proximity in this position enhances the emotional connection, making it much more than a physical act. With every glance, smile, and exchange of eye contact, a silent dialogue of love unfolds. These moments of mutual vulnerability and openness cultivate a sense of trust and understanding that deepens the bond between partners. This posture is especially suited for slowing down and immersing yourselves in the pure bliss of togetherness. The close proximity allows for tender touches, soft caresses, and gentle kisses, each gesture becoming an expression of affection and devotion. Whether it's running your fingers through her hair, whispering loving words, or holding her close, every movement in the chair position carries meaning. It's an intimate dance where the focus shifts from the destination to the journey, allowing both partners to fully appreciate the shared experience. The physical closeness in this posture also amplifies sensations. The warmth of your partner's breath, the spark of skin against skin, and the electricity of a shared gaze combine to create an atmosphere of heightened intimacy. This is not about rushing or reaching an endpoint. It's about cherishing the moment, embracing the connection, and creating a memory that lingers in both hearts. The chair position is a beautiful reminder that true intimacy is not measured by speed or intensity, but by the depth of the connection you create together. It's a posture that encourages vulnerability, respect, and emotional presence, offering both partners the chance to feel cherished, valued, and deeply loved. Every position explored in this journey is more than just a physical dynamic. It's a pathway to fostering trust, vulnerability, and emotional intimacy in your relationship. Whether you're seeking empowerment, tenderness, passion, or balance, each posture holds the potential to bring you and your partner closer together. Not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. We hope this exploration has inspired you to see intimacy as a beautiful opportunity to connect on a deeper level. Now, it's time to take what you've learned and bring it into your own life. If you found these insights valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Power Within Awakening, for more thoughtful content like this. Like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below with the words, "I'm deserve," to let us know you're committed to creating meaningful connections in your own relationships. Together, let's build a world where love, respect, and emotional intimacy thrive.